After telling us the infamous tale of Jodha and Akbar on television, Ekta Kapoor is all set to bring yet another classic story on the small screen we hear. Yes, if the recent reports are anything to go by, then the TV Zarina is working on her new fictional show, which will be based on Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay's popular novel Devdas. Ekta plans to make the show on a grand level, which will be loosely based on the three main characters, Devdas, Paro and Chandramukhi, and their love triangle will be the most vital part of the plot. We also hear that the producer is in dialogue with Colors Channel to get a prime-time slot for this show. Details of the show have been kept under wraps and the casting is still underway. Things are at a nascent stage right now, and once the Indian Premier League gets over, the channel and the production house will take the final call. Well, we just hope that the TV version of Devdas is equally impressive as Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay's novel, Bimal Roy's Devdas, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's film, and lastly, as Anurag Kashyap's modern version of Devdas titled Devdi. There are a lot of expectations with this one.
बहुत माहिर खिलाड़ी हैं आप।
खिलाड़ी था, अब पूरा खेल।